wear my shoes.
You can wear your shoes. No, let me help you. You would have called me now. You need to stress yourself. You have to take it easy.
That's not the right leg.
Oh, my God. That's why I need to keep me right. Wait now. Easy now. Don't stress yourself.
Help me up. Thank you. Yeah.
Baby, what are you doing?
Why
do you stand there?
Room?
Yeah. You don't want to go down? Why are you standing there?
Don't have energy.
Yeah, what do you need to do? You want me to come and carry you down?
I beg you.
Carry you down with this pregnant, with this big tummy. Want me to carry you down and you want me to carry you down the stage?
It's too long.
Okay, I can carry you.
At least come and take tripod. Even if you don't carry it, and take this stand.
Mommy is too heavy for daddy.
Are you trying to say daddy cannot lift me?
Yeah, because the baby is making mommy even more heavier.
Baby, prove your daughter wrong. Oh yeah.
Baby.
You don't have to carry me down the stairs because I won't even allow you. But move back, move back. Your daughter have challenged you.
I can't do this.
Your daughter have challenged you, it's not me. Mona say I stand and watch daddy lift me. What do you mean daddy cannot carry me up? Baby, oh yeah.
Mona, do you think I can carry mommy up?
No.
Why?
Because mommy has a baby inside to be making it heavier before, and mommy is getting so much weight from eating.
So I'm getting so much weight from eating. Baby, prove your daughter wrong.
But baby, how do you want me to carry you? With the
Stay there.
How do you want me to carry you with this shoe as well?
The shoe doesn't weigh anything. Don't give unnecessary excuse. Look at your daughter is here watching you. Show your daughter that you can carry me. You can carry your wife. She look at that, they lift me. Because they put me in na radiator.
Oh yeah. 1,
Come on, children, not support you.
2, 3, go.
Baby, carry me properly. Did he do it? Is this it?
Yeah.
Oh, my back. Baby, my back.
Did he do it?
He did it like about this size, and he did it, and he did like he's carrying Chamika.
You see? How do you want him to like this, right?
Yeah.
That's how you
Do you want me to lift mommy?
No, just like this.
No,
just
but
like
I think I tried now.
No, you did not carry me properly.
Baby, I carried now.
No.
My back. I tried.
Like this.
But I did now.
You guys, did my husband carry me or not? For me, he did not carry me up.